might be chilly, baby. The thing is, it's warm once you go all the way in, but I don't want to dump her.
Just play by ear, right?
Yeah.
You can't do any harm.
Yeah, it is.
Here you go.
Sydney's first swim.
Let's put her in this thing. Can you help me with the feet?
Yeah. It's 1 and foot 2.
Thing one and thing two.
No, they're both.
Oh, Cindy.
Sydney.
Yeah, it warms up once you've been in for a minute.
It should be 85 degrees, and 87 is the thermal neutral point. Hey!
Yeah, she's fine. It was just the beginning was a little different.
Kick her feet.
She likes to splash in the bath. You gonna splash? Isn't that great? This thing is wonderful. You probably just leave it here.
Yeah.
Yay!
She wants to splash.
I think you can splash right here, Sid.
Is this fun or what, Sydney? Yeah. She's got rhythm. This girl has got rhythm.
You want to go zoom in the pool?
There's Nancy. The doors. Zoom.
Look, it's Nancy.
Hey, right over here for the jet.
That's where one of the jets. One jet there and at the other end.
I think she's got to be fine. I don't
Yeah, that 85, it won't warm up to 87. She won't lose any temperature.
She likes it. Yeah.
How are you doing, Nancy? Back from Switzerland.
Saw the sale pending sign. Almost as good as the real thing, but
Yeah.
Sydney. Sydney.
Hi, Sydney. Did you guys, did we tell you that?
What?
We're thinking of moving.
Oh, you are?
Probably Carmel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you find someplace you like?
Well, no, we're gonna really start looking in the spring. We're gonna wait till the spring.
Yeah.
So we're getting